Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Dune Doggies. It's been a pretty typical week over here as far as puppies go. Today, Leto and Teg are 12 weeks old, and it's time for their weekly weigh-in as well. We'll do that in another video. We've been steadily working on potty training, and I think we're really making some progress. Though I did just discover that Leto is eating Teg's poop. So I'm gonna have to do some research there and figure out what to do about that. Unless you guys want to give me some advice or ways that you've found in the past, if you've ever had this issue, of what's helpful and what can help me conquer that. I did have some concerns about Teg this past week. He was definitely feeling a little under the weather. He was not playful, kind of lethargic, was doing a lot of frequent pooping with not a lot coming out. I called the vet and just watched him closely for about 36 hours, and he did finally turn around. One morning, he woke up and was just his playful self again, so I'm very thankful for that. I have to assume he maybe just ate something he shouldn't have, a plant, a dead animal, something outside I'm sure he found that upset his stomach, but thankfully he seems totally fine, and I am happy to report that. Good morning. We're just out here this morning, laying in the garden. Well, that's just about it for a weekly wrap-up with Leto and Teg, and of course, Chani. We'll see you next time.